Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of Kurama Win. And as you can see, we are back home. We're back in the city. So I had fun visiting my brother last weekend, but I was still working. So what I did was I was waking up at 6 in the morning and I was coding until 11:30. So even though I was there for 3 or 4 days, I was still working and making sure I was doing my contributions because it's crazy. As you guys know, I'm in a program for the Dallas Software Developers Group, which essentially has an experienced software engineer lead a team of junior devs by building a functional MVP in 6 weeks. And this teaches essentially juniors like me how to work with teams, how to do wireframes, have meetings, how to communicate with the back-end developers, how to build an application, how to take responsibility and ownership when doing things. So it's been a great experience, and I really can't wait to show you guys the final project. And the crazy thing is, it's 6 weeks, and today is the end of the 5th week. So it's insane. These past few weeks have gone so fast, and I've learned so much. And next week, essentially what is going to happen is we have until Wednesday. So Wednesday by end of day is officially code freeze, meaning we cannot push any more code. We cannot make any other updates or changes. So by Wednesday, the program officially ends. And then the last thing that we have to do as a team is to make a demo project. I think it's only 2 minutes long. So we have to make a demo project of 2 minutes in length and showing the application, how it goes, the flow, what it does. And I'm very excited about that. We've been pushing a lot of code and we've been on top of things, and I'm very excited. I'm very proud of my team, and I don't know if I mentioned him, but Aram, he's one of the back-end developers of my team, and man, he's been such an amazing person to work with, because out of all of us, he had the most experience working with other companies. So setting up Jira, how to handle merge conflicts, how to really review PRs, how to make sure to communicate with him properly to connect with his endpoints that he has been building. This is a draft of the login page of the application, but essentially our backend dev, what he has done with Java and Spring Boot, Docker, and Postgres, he created multiple endpoints, and the only thing we have had to do is just connect the endpoints to everything that he has done, and it's been very useful. So not much logic on my end as a front-end dev. I just need to make sure that the application looks good and everything follows his direction, which has been extremely humbling, and I've learned from him so much. And yeah, I really can't wait to show you guys the end product. We have, again, until Wednesday to really finish the MVP. And yeah, I was supposed to work on one feature only. So each of us had one feature, but what happened was I worked on my first one, and then the second feature, a colleague of ours, she had to step down because of personal reasons, and then I took over her feature and I worked on it and finished it. And then there was one left to do, and guess what? I jumped on it. So I went from working on one feature on this project to 3. So I'm going to be very proud of that. And at the end of this program, I'm actually going to clone this repo, and I'm going to refactor certain things. I really want to work with Clark for authentication, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. And one thing that I've been focusing a lot is coffee chats. I had a coffee chat with a senior engineer from Brazil, the company, and he was extremely humble. I had another coffee chat with another senior dev from a different company, and yeah, I'm having my last coffee chat for the program on Monday, and I'm looking forward to that person. Is going to be number 30, so I'm very looking forward to it. And again, I think by next week I'm going to give you guys a rundown of the application. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace.